hairstylist, don't put my lace way back here.
I fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Okay, so today we're working with Nadula hair. They sent over this beautiful curly wig. You guys already know all the details are in the description box, and we'll talk about it, of course, a little bit more. Feel kind of silly because I really can't even see you guys physically. So let's go ahead and take care of that step one. They give a lot of lace, so that is much better. This is, again, a curly lace wig. It is a frontal, and we're going to go ahead and do a start to finish install, but we're going to make her super fun and fire. I'm going to take her to the sink and give her a quick co-wash. Now, the reason we're going to do this is because, like, this curl pattern is great, and you can style her straight, you know, out of the box. But I find that when you're able to actually, like, wet the hair and let it meet some moisture, like a moisturizing conditioner and some H2O, it really brings your wigs to life. Okay, so I just went ahead and, oh, I got some conditioner on me. I just went ahead and co-washed the hair really good. It smells absolutely amazing. And then I dried it off with the t-shirt that I was wearing yesterday, and the conditioner I used was the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Conditioner. I just took this out of my shower. This is the current shampoo and conditioner combo I've been using. I bought it as a set from Amazon. Again, it smells good. It's still pretty damp. So you're going to see how beautiful the hair is going to transform and set once I go ahead and style it. No matter what the race is, this looks more like natural curly hair opposed to what it looks like straight out the box. Also, the hairline, you guys can see the lace is absolutely beautiful. You can see my wig cap through. I'm going to use the same hack I use all the time. I just take it all the way back, the wig cap that is, into the parting. And you guys know I pull my wig a little bit above. What did Mooney Long, what was her name? Mooney Long? The day she's on Instagram, and she was like, hairstylist, don't put my lace way back here. Yes, we know I got a big forehead, but don't give me a frontal and bond it down and give me a 5 head. Give me a 3 head. Bring it up an inch or 2. And that is exactly the move. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace and bond her down. Deciding if we're going to do baby hair or just give all forehead. Pre-plucked pretty nicely. Let's go ahead and do, before I get too sidetracked, let's go ahead and cut the lace off and bond her down. Let's do what I said we was gonna do. I'm going to use this coconut, what is it called? Coconut curl cream, and I'll have it in the description box. I'm going to be very generous, or as generous as this hair requires. And then this is going to make it nice and moisturized and hydrated and define the curls and give it a little shine, lessen moisture. I'm going to work in the dimming brush, and then I'm going to set it with this. This is a Hold and Shine mousse. So this is going to give a little bit of a hold on top, make it a little bit more shine, sheeny. You'll see as we go along. And of course, I'm going to just really make sure that the curls get defined. This product I've been loving lately.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation.
For reference, this is what the hair looks like when it's wet. It's set with those 2 products we use, and this is what it looks like air dried off of a cold wash. So that is the versatility of it. You can get like a wet, wavy, curly look, or you can do more of the natural girl look. It does have a little bit of layer in the front. You guys see this is the longest, And then up here to frame the face is the shortest. So you can still go in and custom style it or cut more. But let's go ahead and do this side off camera.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. You know, I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any.
Okay, sassy girls, so I just went ahead and beat my face. I love keeping my makeup in a like travel bag that allows me to you know, like do my makeup wherever I may be. Look how this one dried. It kind of like clumped together right here. It made a ringlet. I love that for me because I just love when hair, especially like curly and natural, excuse me, especially when like curly and natural textures are able to, you know, really take a natural vibe. Look how juicy those curls look, and this side isn't completely dry. So they sent me a beautiful robe. It does have their logo here, and I think the logo is in the back. As always, this is the packaging that the wig came in. They gave me not one, but 2 packs of wig caps. They gave me a little goodie bag. They gave me a scarf with the logo, Nadula logo on it. Oh, a 3rd pack of wig caps. So we got not 1, not 2, but 3 packs. So we are rolling in the dough, baby. And then they also gave me this headband, which actually is perfect. And then also this mesh bag. There is a cute little milk belt in there. How cute is that? Makeup brush. They actually sent me one of these the last time I worked with this company. I've actually been using that makeup brush. That's so funny. And then a pair of 3D mink lashes. And last but not least, wait a minute. Don't tell me this is what I think it is. Yes, a brown bonnet. For a brown girl like me. There is nothing more cool than a brown bonnet. Actually, I don't think I've ever had a chocolate brown bonnet, but I am going to let you guys go from here. Hope I don't look too weird without lashes. Again, my eye is watering, and it's always this one. That's what makes me like, is it allergies? It doesn't happen when I'm not wearing makeup. So what step in my makeup, what product in my makeup, what step in my makeup, what is going on? If you know, let me know. Again, I'm thinking it's the eyeliner, but I would love to put on some lashes to slay. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and relax in my beautiful robe from Nadula while I rock their luscious tresses. I'm actually, if you're tuning in for the first time, be sure to check the description box on your way out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you. My baby.